Next up, the 2003 Missouri State Quarter with the D mint mark is a fascinating piece of modern American coinage that continues to capture the attention of collectors around the world. Released as part of the historic 50 State Quarters program, this coin is especially admired when found in what collectors often describe as golden condition, a term commonly used for coins that display rich toning or exceptional visual appeal. While millions of these quarters were produced, certain high-quality examples, particularly those with unique coloration or pristine surfaces, have gained significant value in the auction market, making this coin far more than just everyday pocket change. The Missouri State Quarter was officially released on August 4, 2003, becoming the 24th coin in the widely celebrated 50 State Quarters program issued by the United States Mint. This long-running series honored each U.S. state in the order they joined the Union, offering a unique design for every release. Missouri, known as the Show Me State, was admitted to the Union in 1821, and its quarter reflects important aspects of its rich history and national significance. The Denver Mint, identified by the D mint mark, produced a large number of these coins for circulation. Despite the high mintage, relatively few have survived in exceptional condition, especially those with visually striking golden toning that enhances their appeal among collectors. The design of the 2003 Missouri State Quarter is both detailed and symbolic. On the obverse side, it features the familiar portrait of George Washington, originally designed by John Flanagan. The inscriptions, "Liberty, in God We Trust," and the year 2003 are clearly visible, along with the D mint mark indicating its origin at the Denver Mint. The reverse side is where the coin truly stands out, showcasing an image of the iconic Lewis and Clark expedition keelboat navigating the Missouri River. In the background, the famous Gateway Arch rises prominently, symbolizing Missouri's role as the gateway to the West. The inscriptions include Missouri 1821, Corps of Discovery 1804 to 2004, and E pluribus unum. When found in golden condition, the coin surfaces can display warm, eye-catching hues that make the design even more visually impressive. The Denver Mint struck millions of Missouri State Quarters. Rarity is determined not by mintage alone, but by condition and uniqueness. Coins described as being in golden condition are particularly desirable because their toning often develops naturally over time, giving each piece a distinct appearance. Collectors are especially drawn to coins that exhibit even, attractive toning without damage or discoloration. Additionally, high-grade coins that have been preserved in near-perfect condition are becoming increasingly difficult to find. This combination of visual appeal and scarcity in top condition has driven strong demand among collectors, especially those aiming to complete high-quality sets of state quarters. The market value of the 2003 Missouri State Quarter with a D mint mark varies widely depending on its condition and eye appeal. In standard circulated condition, the coin typically holds only modest value above its face value. However, coins in exceptional condition, particularly those graded as mint state or those displaying attractive golden toning, can command significantly higher prices. In some auction settings, premium examples have sold for $281,000, especially when certified by professional grading services. The growing interest in visually unique coins has further boosted the value of well-preserved Missouri quarters with standout coloration. Collectors interested in acquiring this coin should focus on quality rather than quantity. Examining the coin closely for surface preservation, luster, and color consistency is essential. Coins with natural, even golden toning are generally more desirable than those with uneven or artificial coloration. Proper storage is also important, as exposure to air and moisture can affect a coin's appearance over time. Using protective holders and maintaining a stable environment can help preserve the coin's condition. For those seeking higher value pieces, purchasing coins that have been professionally graded can provide added confidence and long-term investment potential. The 2003 Missouri State Quarter with the D mint mark is a remarkable example of how modern coins can hold both historical significance and collectible value. From its tribute to the Lewis and Clark expedition to its stunning visual design, this coin represents an important piece of American heritage. While many of these quarters were once used in everyday transactions, those found in golden condition or exceptional quality have become prized collectibles. For enthusiasts and investors alike, this coin serves as a reminder that even recent currency can transform into a valuable treasure when rarity, condition, and collector demand come together. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing rare coin stories and hidden treasures. Stay tuned, and who knows, the next valuable coin could be in your pocket right now.